Today we're making ground beef jerky. First things first, get yourself 2 pounds of ground beef, 80% lean or higher preferably. Once you put your meat in a bowl, you're going to get yourself some jerky cure and seasoning. The cure will just keep it fresh longer, and the seasoning obviously makes it taste amazing. Throw both of these in your bowl, and then just go ahead and mix it thoroughly. Now we're going to get a baking sheet, put some parchment paper on it, and shape your jerky into about 1/4 inch thick pieces. I'm going to be using a jerky gun, which just makes it a whole lot easier, but you're welcome to use your hands if you like. I forgot to mention this during the video, but I will put links to everything that I used in the description. Now we're going to take our jerky, put it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And what this is going to do is just kill all the unwanted bacteria that's still in the meat. Now we're going to just let these cool for a little bit, but once they are cool, you're going to take each piece, you're going to dry it off a little bit in a paper towel, and then you're going to put it on your dehydrator. And if you don't have a dehydrator, you can just put them on a plate, put a new piece of parchment paper on the baking sheet, and put them back in the oven if you have a convection oven. Once our jerky's all ready to go, we're going to put the top on the dehydrator, and we're just going to turn it on for the next 5 hours at 155 degrees. After about 2 hours, you're just going to come back, check on the jerky, make sure it's still doing well. You can flip it over after blotting it dry, get all the oil off of it. And then once you're finished doing this, leave it go for another 2 hours. We're actually going to switch the trays around just to make sure they get an even chance to dry out. After 5 hours, take your jerky out of the dehydrator, dry them off one last time, and then put them in an airtight container, such as a vacuum seal bag.